and welcome. I am Gary MacDonald, your 2021 Reno Sparks Association of Realtors President, and thank you for joining me today for another episode of To the Point. So let's get to the point about renovation loans. To help us better understand this important topic, our special guest is Desiree Lebleu, loan originator of Prime Lending. Hi, Desiree, and thank you for joining me here today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Well, we have quite a market, don't we?
We do, yes.
So we're seeing a scramble, and we talked about this before we went on air, about how this marketplace is totally a seller's market. And so are renovation loans a vehicle for people to get a home today?
Yes, they are. I think with the market today, you might be settling for a home that may not be exactly what you want. It might be in the right area, but may not be the square footage you want, or may not be as upgraded as you want, or it very well may be a fixer-upper that you have to settle if you want to get into the market.
So who could do a renovation loan?
So Prime Lending offers quite an array of renovation products. The most commonly known is the FHA 203K, but we also offer VA renovation loans as well as conventional renovation loans. And on the conventional product of our renovation loans, we do offer for both primary residence, secondary residence, as well as investment properties. And with those programs, we can do both purchase and refinances, sorry.
So talk to me as an agent, okay? I have not done a renovation loan before. Tell me how it works.
So it's quite simple. You as the agent, you're really going to just go out and show the properties to your buyer as you normally would. The one thing that you do want to make sure is that your buyers are going to get pre-qualified at a certain price point, typically what the max that they're willing to buy. And then you're going to want to find them something just a little bit under if you're looking at a renovation program. So that way they do have some room to do the renovations that they want, because ultimately whatever their renovations are going to be, we have to make sure that the comps in the area support it.
So we have seen, the word on the street is, okay, a property doesn't last 24 hours, it's under contract and everything else. But distressed properties or properties that need some work can tend to sit on the market a little bit longer, especially if they're asking all the money for them. Okay, so have you found that agents and buyers, by doing their due diligence, are able to find properties today?
I do. I think if you do your due diligence as a buyer, if you know that you're looking at a renovation program, you might want to make sure that you've got your contractor in place, or at least somebody who is willing to do the work for you. So if you have your ducks in a row, I think it's a little easier to get in, because once you find that property, you can get them in, do the bids, and then we can get the process started.
Well, to wrap things up, what are the benefits of a renovation loan?
Well, the benefits of the renovation loan, I think, are huge. One, and the biggest one, is you get the home of your dreams. I mean, you can go in and you can do as much or as little renovations to that home as you'd like. So whether it be a new roof or whether it be kitchen renovations, you can gut it and do a whole new kitchen. You can add square footage to it. So you're really making that home the home of your dreams, or to fit your needs. In addition to that, you can also do one loan over a 30-year term, one rate, one payment. And it's a lot more cost effective, because the cost of the renovation is going to be amortized over the 30-year period, which makes it a lot more affordable if you're doing large renovations. If you were to put that on a credit card, it's going to be a lot more costly with a much higher interest rate.
We have been at an all-time low on interest rates. They've ticked up just a little bit, but historically, these rates are fantastic. Yeah. And wealth has been built over and over and over again, not necessarily by going in and buying a ready-to-move into home, but by doing the sweat equity and living in the dust and the dirt and getting these homes repaired and upgraded. So your programs sound like a fantastic way to do that. Again, Desiree Lebleu, thank you for joining us here today. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today for this segment of May's To The Point video series. And we'll see you next time when we get to the point. Have a great day.